Hi, Karen here. I've been having fun making sculptures, many sculptures. They are all made with a foam or aluminum foil base covered in Pal Tiya, which cures in about a week. So this video is about a creature I call Fabio. He too started as a Pal Tiya base, except for his head. I sculpted it out of Apoxie Sculpt. I gave Fabio a plaid shirt and tie. I had a lot of fun mosaicing the sides with giant spirals. Fabio collects flowers as he meanders. After grouting, then it was time to paint Fabio's face. And just for fun, I gave him a blue tie and glasses. So I hope you enjoyed this unexpected journey with Fabio. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.